Welcome to Photoshop Art. In the new version of Photoshop, a new filter is available, and it is called Photo Restoration. To use it, go to Filter, Neural Filters. The Photo Restoration Neural Filter helps you bring an old or damaged photo back to life. The filter uses machine learning to detect and eliminate scratches and other minor imperfections on old photographs. Play with sliders until you're satisfied with the results. You can add some color too. It is not recommended to use it for photos that are damaged like this. You can see some artifacts on the enhanced version of the image. I can see some practical uses for this filter. This is Photoshop Art. Thanks for watching.